What's the meaning of contravene? Contravene. Contravene.
Contravene. Contravene. The term contravene means to act against or go against a law, rule, or agreement. It can also refer to violating or disobeying a moral principle or ethical standard. The result of contravening can lead to various consequences. If it involves breaking laws or rules, it can result in legal penalties, such as fines or imprisonment. If it concerns moral and ethical standards, it can damage one's reputation and cause social ostracization. In general, contravening is seen as a negative behavior that goes against established norms and can lead to varying degrees of repercussions.